All right, great day, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Things and Stuff.
I know that ain't who I think it is.
I am your host, Ja. As always, super humble for every pair of eyes watching and every pair of ears listening. Today, we got a special one today. The release of the Air Force One Atlanta. They had a hustle pack. They had two of them, a Dunk Low as well as an Air Force One. Now me, I'm an Atlanta veteran. We rock Air Force Ones. The kids, they really about the Dunks.
Well, back in my day.
I only own two pairs of Dunks. So, the Dunks really aren't my thing. But the Air Force One, absolutely. Had to have it. It was an absolute must cop. When I saw the images pop up in December, I already knew what it was. I was like, yep, these are coming home and they got to come home. So this also coincided with 404 Day, which is a celebration in Atlanta, which, represents the original zip code 404. So basically it's just an Atlanta celebration. And Nike collaborated to release this with their celebration of 50 years of hip hop. So basically this is supposed to be a celebration of 50 years of hip hop and the contributions that the city of Atlanta has made to the culture, which once again, have to be there, right? Alright, so they did release on sneakers, but it was a very limited. The majority of the stock was down here in the tier 0 and tier 1 stores, like your Wish, Alma Mayer, your Social Status, LRVG, who else? Soul Play, and of course Walters. I was like, okay, I'm definitely going to Walters. It's the oldest Nike account here in Atlanta, and it only seemed just right that I would just go pick these up at Walters. So what I did was I went ahead, got on my Atlanta gear, put on my Outkast hoodie, one of my favorites. Also with the So Def and Trey Young Adidas Forums, very nice combination with the colors. When I got there, the line was thick. The city was out for it. I was like, man, this might be, tough to secure out here.
Actually, it's gonna be super easy, barely an inconvenience.
But they had plenty of stock when I got inside the store. I was like, okay, yeah, like everybody who wants these is gonna be able to get them. So that's what's up. Let's go ahead and take a look at the sneaker themselves and also give them the drip forecast.
Y'all ready? They ready. We ready.
First things first, we had the box. Comes in a standard Air Force One box. And box reads, Air Force One 07 LV8 official colorway, University Red, Bright Crimson. And bam.
Okay.
So here we have them, right? All right, first impressions out the box.
Scooch.
Fire. Top down look. Crimson Nike tag. Pretty fresh right there. Conte red laces. Cool thing about the design on this, as we can see, the midsole is white. Has two different main colors on it. Has the red leather coming across the lace guards, going around, surrounding the toe box and on the heel tab. So the toe box is in nubuck. That's going to be in that crimson color. Also, it's in the mid panel, same nubuck. Nice little contrast off the Picante red. Crimson stitching really gives it a nice little accent, nice little pop. And also this translucent. And coming across here, we have the translucent swoosh, which is a super hit. It's basically the main attraction. Across this heel tab, we have the gold ATL with the Nike swoosh going through the A. Tell me that isn't hard. Same ATL inside, along with that size tag. I had to go a half a size down for Air Force Ones. As we all know, Air Force Ones run pretty big. As far as the drip forecast for these, come on.
Cooler than Freddie Jackson, sipping a milkshake in a snowstorm.
Ice bucket challenge. Absolutely cold. You know what I'm saying? Don't stand too close. You might mess around and drown off this swag right here, as the great orator Little Baby once said. All right, so there we have it, man. That's your look and review and drip forecast of the Air Force One Atlanta. But I tell you what, definitely appreciate you coming through. As always, super humble for everybody who came through. And if you like what I'm doing, by all means, leave a like. Want to get down? Subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what other content you want to see here. I want to interact with you all. I want it to grow that way. But other than that, remain blessed and highly favored. I'm going to stay with 10 fingers and 10 toes. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next one, all right?
Alright, I'm a fault with.
Alright, bro.
You already know what it is. But this time, I always head over to that 404 party. Straight forgot my memory card for my my camera, so we're gonna be doing this on the phone. About to walk into the 404 day. Special guest, Wonder Woman wife in the building. You know what I'm saying? Check right there. Got the Supreme, for the 404 day. Got the 3,000 on there. Sitting there with the grill. I'm gonna do a review on these, by the way. These are the Air Jordan. You ain't got these. We'll do the full review, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Check the Wonder Woman wife though. You know what I'm saying? Flipped out. You know what I'm saying? Around the way, girls. Going hard over here. Anyway, man, let's go ahead and check this thing out right quick.
ATL.